You will see in detail about printer. Printer, you are having two cables for a printer, power supply cable and data cable. On left side you are having power supply cable, on right side you are having data cable. Data cable is used for transferring data between CPU and printer. One end of the data cable is USB pin. USB pin will be connected to your CPU or laptop. The other end will be connected to the printer. The other end will be connected to a printer. Now this is a way to connect your printer to a CPU or laptop. This is a way to connect your printer to the CPU or laptop. The other end of the cable is connected to the printer. Now this is the front portion of your CPU. Now this is where you load the paper. This is where you load the paper, and again at the top end the paper will come out. On the top end the paper will come out. On the right side of your printer you are having your turn on and turn off button, and below that you are having your power cable. Below that you are having your power cable, and then on the left side you are having your pin for the data cable. This is where data cable will be connected from the CPU to the printer. This is a way to connect the cable from the CPU or laptop to the printer. Now you have connected a printer to the CPU. And after connecting the printer to the CPU, you need to turn on your CPU, and then you need to turn on the printer. And then if you install the driver, the printer will work. Okay, this is the back side of your printer, where you are having your power cable on right and data cable on the left, and then you are having a turn on and turn off switch for the printer. Now let us look at the top view of your printer. Now this is where your paper will come out. Now if you open this lid, you can open this lid like this. If you open the lid, you can see the cartridge. You can see the cartridge in which the ink is loaded. Okay, or this is called as a toner, in which the ink for the printer is stored. Now it needs to be changed regularly depending upon the number of prints taken, right? This is a cartridge which is inside your printer, and this is the way to insert it into the printer. This is the way to insert your cartridge into the printer. Place it properly and close the lid. Okay, you need to make sure that it is placed correctly at both ends, and then close the lid. Okay, this is where your toner is present at your printer. This is the top side of your printer. At the bottom you are having your loading tray, and the top the paper will come up. Okay, at the bottom you are having your loading tray, and at the top paper will come out. Now this is your printer in detail.